Uneli Pitso oneminyaka engamashumi amathathu nane kanye namadodana akhe amane bafe ujuqu emva kokudla ushevu. Umyeni wakhe kanye namadodakazi abo amabili bona basindile. Izihlobo zithi khathi zibizelwa endaweni yesigameko ngesonto zithole umama wezingane kanye namadodana akhe aphakathi kweminyaka e10 kanye nezinyanga ezimbili sebeshonile. Uthi ngithema ngifika endlini ngathola izidumbu nendlu ingcolile ushevu ugcwele phansi. Amaphoyisa asevule uphenyo.
According to information available at this stage, reports suggest that the mother and father had an argument the previous night. That was Saturday, the 8th of May. However, the whole family, parents and 6 boys, went to bed. The mother woke up during the night and allegedly drank poison and spread it throughout the house.
Umnyango wezenhlalakahle uthi uzokwenza konke okusemandleni ukwelekelela lo mndeni.
Department of Social Development has assigned social workers to provide psychosocial support in the form of counseling and moral support to the bereaved family. We will also provide the family with social relief of distress in the form of food parcels.
Lo mndeni usucele usizo lokufihla abathandiweyo bawo.